In this short video, I will demonstrate how using the PDM toolkit from Solid Solutions, you can easily create Web 2 links that your web users, either on PCs or Macs, can trigger in order to participate within your approval process. Notification links in workflow transition emails require a desktop version of PDM in order to action. The PDM toolkit from Solid Solutions enables you to quickly create a web-friendly URL that you can paste into a notification or even include in a bill of materials or drawing note via linking to a custom property. Once activated within the email, I can then use the Web 2 viewer capabilities to check the design over before putting all of the files through the workflow and completing the approval process. After approving the files, I will log out and then log back in to the desktop version as myself again, just to illustrate that the username and date of approvals have been captured and transferred through to the drawing if that was also a requirement.